Hello everyone, a warm welcome to my YouTube channel Shalini Foods. Today's recipe is sweet pongal. You can prepare this as a naivedyam. Let's start the recipe. Add 1 cup of rice and 1/4 cup of moong dal. Add water and clean 2 times. After cleaning, drain off the water and again add 4 cups of water. Soak it for 15 to 20 minutes. In a vessel, add 1 or 2 tablespoons of ghee. Add few almonds, cashews and raisins. Saute on low heat until nuts turns light brown. In the same vessel, add soaked rice and moong dal along with the water. Cook on high heat until it boils. Now close and cook on low heat for 15 minutes. You can find more sweet recipes in the description box. Please watch them for more delicious options. Now add 2 cups of milk. Close and cook for 5 to 10 minutes on low heat. Now add 2 cups of jaggery. Adjust jaggery as per your taste. Give the recipe a try and let me know your feedback in the comments. Close and cook on low heat. Call in all sweet lovers, share your thoughts below and let's spice up the conversation. Now add 1 or 2 tablespoons of ghee. Add half tablespoon of cardamom powder. Add roasted nuts and mix them. Cook for 2 to 3 minutes on low heat and switch off the flame. Enjoyed what you just saw? Consider subscribing and becoming a part of our Shalini Foods family. We'd love to have you on board. Very tasty and delicious sweet pongal is ready. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe and hit the bell icon for notifications. Stay connected with me on Facebook and Instagram by following my profiles. Thanks for watching.